So good morning, my dear students. So very interesting subject, network security. So in the part of network security, today we're discussing about what are the various concepts of computer security. Yes, so computer is a purely electronic device. We can operate any kind of files. Some files are having some very important and very sensitive. We can utilize those files within security format. So why we have to provide the security to the particular files in the computer? That is a simple question. Why we should apply a security to the particular files, folders, and documents and various files in the computer? That is a question mark. So we have to provide the particular security factor to the different kind of files to protect our sensitive data. So it is not possible to cause the damage. It is not possible to web theft. It is not possible to make some kind of disturbances and different kind of attacks about our sensitive data. So in the based on this discussion, in the case of providation of the security, we have to simply depends on some kind of concepts. So what are the various concepts are used to provide the security? That is a question mark. So in the previous class, we can simply discussing about what is the network security and what is the various concept of network security successful is there. I hope all of you received the valuable information from that last class. So before that, before start of this, my question, my topic, basically all of you simply put a simple question is called, what is the computer? So we sometimes we can simply say that it is called like a storage device. We can store a lot of files. We can store a lot of files. So in the case of security, in the case of storage, some files are looking very important. That time we can simply provide some kind of password. So password application is a part of the security. Password application is a part of the security. Why we have to provide the password is there? Nobody can see. Nobody can operate. Nobody can modify the particular your file. You can simply say that it is my file. How much security, up to security will be provided by yourself, that file is secure. That file is secure. When it is a public, automatically your file will be converted as a public means unsecured. Means what? There is no chance to protect from the others. That is a main cause. That is a main cause. So here I am simply provided small information about what is a computer security is there. So in the last paragraph, so before going to this slide, I'm beginning from last paragraph. Looking careful all of you. So computer security refers to protecting and securing computers and their related data. So whatever included in the data in the computer that will be secured by yourself by using a source is called computer security. For example, if you want to provide the particular antivirus software for what? Protecting purpose. When the virus will be caused in the computer, that will be controlled by the special software is called antivirus. It is a part of protection. It is a part of protection. It is a part of security. And it is a part of computer security. I have to refer here. computer security is a source to protecting and securing computers and their related data and networks and software and special hardware from unauthorized access, misuse by the others, theft from others, information loss, and other security issues. This is the main role of computer security. Come to the second paragraph. Computer security is a factor to protect the entire aspects in the computer from malwares, viruses, hackers, and different attacks. This is the main cause of computer security. Third paragraph is what is the concept of computer security? It is what is the role of computer security and what is the computer security? Computer security is a factor to protecting or securing the entire aspects in the computer. Aspects nothing but like documents, PPTs, folders, files, and images, diagrams, everything will be included in the computer. That is called as aspects. Aspects in the computer from malwares, viruses, hackers, and different attacks. Clear? Then here, based on this computer security concept, based on the role of computer security, now we can simply read as sorry for disturbance. Yes. So computer is an electron device used to store the large amount of different files. Sometimes these files are defected by virus. Just I told. These are basic disturbances. That time user will be protected those files with a protection is antivirus software. It is a part of computer security. When you feel unsecured, automatically your mind thinking for, I want to secure my file. That time you can simply install the antivirus software for the protection purpose. Automatically after install, you can feel after scanning is over, you have to imagine my file is safe. Why? Because automatically your mind think about you are the part of the computer security is there. So computer security is the one kind of factor to provide the security. That is the main cause. That purpose, in the first day, first class, I am simply questioned to you why we need to provide the security in the computer. Why we need to provide the security to the computer. So nowadays internet is a very popular, network is a very popular. So within short time, within fraction of time, we can simply interchange the data from one location to another. So we have received the information from the different kind of multi locations. Everything is possible within fraction of seconds. So it is only possible to network. Network is called as online application, electronic application. So every electronic application will be caused by some kind of disturbances. So we can simply avoiding the disturbances through a factor is called a security, providation of the security. Okay. Chepnana. This is a main important fact about what is the computer security and what is the concept of computer security. So basically looking here, So computer security, so this is called as what is the purpose of the computer security? Very careful is there. So previous, what is the role? What is the concept? Here, this slide is a purely belongs to what is the particular cause. So why we need provide the computer security? There is a question mark is there. So computer security included the following concepts. Basically, understanding vulnerabilities and threats. So wherever getting the some kind of disturbances. As per network technology, the errors, the mistakes, the drawbacks are called as vulnerabilities and threats. Understanding what is the failure, actually we can simply find out, easy to solve that problem. So what is my solution? Suitable solution to solve this problem. There is a question mark. So what is the problem? Critical problem, easy problem. So the problem will be solved by the suitable solution. It is understanding vulnerabilities and threats. Second, implementing controls like a strong passwords, antivirus, firewalls. Yes, that is the best job of the computer security. The computer security will be provide or implementing controls like a strong passwords, antivirus, firewalls. So you know everything about the firewalls in the previous semester is there, no? So this is called as some kind of what is called like a medicine, how to protect in the particular files are there. So computer security depend against risk like a hacking, malware. Yes, in the networking, we have to provide in lot of websites are there. All websites are not secured. All websites are not in the protection. Some websites will be included the virus. By using that virus, by using that malwares, automatically our system will be damaged. Our sensitive data will be damaged. Hacking is a part of the automatically you have to simply disturbed by the unknown person who has to stolen the particular information or particular person information about yourself. మీకు తెలియకుండానే మీ information ని తీసుకోవడం. It is a part of web theft. And computer security denial of service attacks 24/7 is ready to protecting. That is called denial of service attacks. On English language lo protection antamandi. As per network technology, denial of service attacks is a part of always ready to provide the security. Always ready to provide the protection. Always ready to provide the particular whatever you want security methods. It is a part of denial of service attacks. Computer security securing hardware. Yes, you know, hardware is the part of physical components of the computers. All the physical components of the computers will be controlled by, secured by computer security always. Computer security securing the software. So whatever included in the system, the entire softwares will be secured by this computer security. And computer security secure the networks. So how many secure networks will be included in the computer? Those are controlled by the particular person is called computer security. And next goes to a very, very important factor is there. Is a very, very important featured interview question. Basically, computer security is protecting the data and system by using CIA process. సో మనకి బేసికల్గా కావాల్సింది ఏంటంటే కంప్యూటర్ సెక్యూరిటీ కావాలి. ఎందుకు అంటే ప్రొటెక్టింగ్ ద ఆల్ ద ఫైల్స్ ఇన్ ద కంప్యూటర్, ఆల్ ద నెట్వర్క్స్ ఇన్ ద కంప్యూటర్, ఆల్ ద హార్డ్వేర్ అండ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇన్ ద కంప్యూటర్. ఇది మనకు తెలిసిన విషయం అండి. బట్ దిస్ టోటల్ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్ ఇన్ ద కంప్యూటర్ విల్ బి కంట్రోల్డ్ బై the security process will be controlled by CIA process. C for confidentiality, I for identity, A for availability. C for confidentiality, I for identity, A for availability. So here I am giving some kind of simple indication. What is the meaning of confidentiality? Preventing unauthorized access, avoiding unauthorized access. ఎలాంటి ఫెయిల్యూర్స్ లేకుండా, ఎలాంటి డిస్టర్బెన్సెస్ లేకుండా, ఎలాంటి మాల్వేర్స్ లేకుండా మనకంటూ ఒక ప్రొటెక్షన్ కావాలి. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ కాన్ఫిడెన్షియాలిటీ. అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటండి? కంప్యూటర్ సెక్యూరిటీ ఇస్ అ పర్సన్ హ్యావింగ్ ద సమ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఎబిలిటీస్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీరు యు ఆర్ ద గుడ్ పర్సన్ అని ఎట్లా చెప్తారండి? సో మై సెల్ఫ్ ఇస్ గుడ్ పర్సన్ మీన్స్ వెన్ ఐఎమ్ హ్యావింగ్ ద గుడ్ క్వాలిటీస్. When I am having good qualities like regularity, respectable, and honesty, what is a hard worker, these kind of qualities will be having by the person is called good person. Good qualities goes to good person. Like that, the computer security having some kind of abilities. Ain't abilities under CIA. CIA, confidentiality, identity, and availability. మనకు ఒక కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ కావాలి. ఎస్, వీ నీడ్ ఎ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్. ద కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ విల్ బి గివెన్ బై ద కంప్యూటర్ సెక్యూరిటీస్. దే నో. ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ హియర్ కాన్ఫిడెన్షియాలిటీ ఈజ్ ఎ ఫ్యాక్టర్ టు ప్రివెంటింగ్ ఆర్ రెడ్యూసింగ్ ద అన్ఆథరైజ్డ్ యాక్సెస్, ఎలాంటి డిస్టర్బెన్సెస్ లేకుండా. ఐడెంటిటీ, ప్రివెంటింగ్ అన్ఆథరైజ్డ్ చేంజెస్, ఎలాంటి చేంజెస్ అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐఎమ్ accessing the program or data, that only is taken by you. There is no chance to changes from the others. There is no chance to touch your information from others. That kind of security is called identity. మీకు తెలియకుండా, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీకు సింపుల్ నార్మల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తారండి. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీకు తెలియకుండా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కనుక మీ జీమెయిల్ని కానీ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడిని కానీ మీరు ఓపెన్ చేసిననుకోండి, ఆటోమేటికల్లీ యూ గాట్ వన్ వార్నింగ్ టు యూ, వన్ కాషన్ టు యూ. సంబడీ ఈజ్ యాక్సెసింగ్ యువర్ మెయిల్ ఐడి, సంబడీ ఈజ్ యాక్సెసింగ్ యువర్ పర్సనల్ డేటా. అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటండి? దట్ ఈస్ సెక్యూర్డ్. నో వన్ విల్ బి యాక్సెస్, నో వన్ విల్ బి యాక్సెస్డ్. బట్ వెన్ దే ఆర్ సింప్లీ టచింగ్ యువర్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, automatically the Google will be giving the one kind of caution to you. Somebody is touching your information. Please alert. Please be alert. That is called as identity. Availability. Availability is called providing the system to authorize the user. Yes, it is my data means myself only accessing. Your data means you are only accessing. This kind of facility is called availability. So how much data you want, which data you want, which kind of data is you want, that only will be provided by the computer security, always 24/7 availability. Yes, internet is called one kind of sources. Internet is called one kind of sources to open, to flow any kind of data. మనకి బల్క్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ డేటా ఉంటుందండి. మీరు మంచిగా వాడుకుంటే మంచిగా ఉంటుంది, మీరు చెడుకు వాడితే చెడుగా ఉంటుంది. అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? సో ప్రైవేట్ డేటా, పబ్లిక్ డేటా, సెక్యూర్ డేటా, అన్సెక్యూర్ డేటా. అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? అవర్ మైండ్ విల్ బి థింకింగ్ మై సెల్ఫ్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ, ఐఎమ్ సింప్లీ ప్రొవైడింగ్, ఐఎమ్ సింప్లీ యాక్సెసింగ్ ద ప్రైవేట్ డేటా ఓన్లీ. At the same time, our mind simply imagine thinking unsecured data. That time you will simply take some kind of cautions. Means how much data, which kind of data is possible to access by you depends on your decision. You are a good decision maker. You are the good thinker. But that time availability will be provide the any kind of information whatever you want. But So what is my goodness, what is my badness is it depends on you. So confidentiality is called as keeping the sensitive data private by restricting access to authorized individual only. Please repeat once again here. Confidentiality is called keeping the sensitive data private by restricting access to authorized individual only. And the meaning ఏంటండి? Computer security is a factor always trusting the authorized person only. How can you say it is called authorized? So those people are maintain the security methods is called as authorized individual. Unauthorized nothing but is a part of unsecured. And identity, maintain the accuracy and completeness the data. Accuracy, identify what is good. You always provide the good website. There is no problem. Bad website, you are facing the problem. That kind of caution is given by the entity. That is I'm writing here. As per my knowledge, I have to provide, maintain the accuracy and completeness the data. Preventing unauthorized modifications and deletions. Just I told. ఎలాంటి డేటాని టచ్ చేయకుండా మనకు కావాల్సిన డేటాని డిస్టర్బెన్స్ చేయకుండా చేంజెస్ చేయకుండా మోడిఫికేషన్ చేయకుండా మనకంటూ ప్రొటెక్షన్ కావాలి. అది కంప్యూటర్ సెక్యూరిటీ. ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే ఎబిలిటీ ఐడెంటిటీ. అందుకే అంటారండి కంప్యూటర్ సెక్యూరిటీ ఈజ్ అ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఆల్వేస్ డిపెండ్ ఆన్ ఎ బ్యాక్ బోన్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ CIA ప్రాసెస్. ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ CIA ప్రాసెస్. Availability, systems and data accessed by authorized user when he required. Authorized, trusted. Those people are maintain the good websites, good information, searching of the good information in the internet. It is an authorized person. The time, systems and data accessed by authorized user when he required. What he required, that only the time he has to provide the information. Then and last one is called as types of computer security. ఇది మీకు 5 మార్క్స్ వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంటుందండి. So short type question, maybe chance for this in this semester question paper. So as per computer terminology, the computer security was classified into mainly 4 types. Number 1, cyber security. Number 2, information security. Number 3, application security. And number 4, network security. Chusarandi? So network security is a part of the computer security. We have the special syllabus about network security, but it is a part of computer security. So without discussing about computer security, how it is possible to network security? We can't. So anyway, the types of computer security are classified into mainly 4 types. Number 1, cyber security. Number 2, information security. Number 3, application security. And number 4 is network security is there. But based on these 4 types of securities, we can simply identify the particular word is called security. How it is possible to provide the security. So I am simply writing here, cyber security is called. Cyber security means securing our computers, electronic devices, networks, programs, systems from cyber attacks. Cyber attacks are those attacks that happen when our system is connected to the internet. That's only simply said that. How can you say it is called cyberspace? How many people are simply utilize the networking? The network location is called cyberspace. It is a part of cyberspace. So myself having the internet, our friend also having the internet is then we can simply sharing the data from one place to another place to this side. The interchanging of data is only possible networking. Means how many people are utilize networking The network area is called as a cyberspace. Like a laptops, like a systems, like a mobiles. How much electron devices are utilized in the network area? That is a part of the cyberspace is there. And information security is a very, very important factor is there. So information security nothing but protecting our system information from theft, illegal use, and privacy or piracy from unauthorized use. Simply said, information means public information is there, private information is there, but you can simply secure protection of the particular data or information that is goes to secured information. Means what? It is a protection by the computer security. Information security has mainly three objectives like a CIA. Just I told confidentiality, identity, or availability. So sometimes it is called as integrity also. Identity is there. And next is called as application security. Yes. So in the computer, we can simply providing lot of applications out there, but we have to simply providing the protection to the applications. That time we can simply depend on this kind of aspect is called as application security is there. So application security means securing our applications and data so that they don't get hacked and also the databases of the applications remain safe and private to the owner itself. Nobody can accessing. Nobody can theft. That kind of security methods you simply followed. It is a part of application security. And next is goes to your network security. Now we're discussing about very, very important factors there. Network security means securing a network and protecting the user information about who is connected through the internet or network. So how much time you can simply utilize the networking, that time we can simply secure. Why? Because network is a purely online application. It is a purely online application. Every online application, every electronic application automatically sometime disturbances. So we can simply avoiding the disturbances from the security. It is goes to network security is there. So these four are different types and different categories of computer security. So this total information will be included mainly 10 plus 5. 10 marks goes to essay type question, 5 marks goes to short type question. So please take a very serious about this topic. Maybe chance in the examination. Automatically you are so much benefited as per essay type question, as per short type question. So listen carefully once again and take a number of reviews up to you realize. Then write this information in your notes promptly without disturbances. I hope all of you gathered the valuable information from this class. So listen carefully once again. Thank you. Thank you very much.